Nanny Key Marina. Set in one of the finest and most central locations in the BVI, Nanny Key is located on the south side of Tortola, between the capital, Road Town and West End. Nanny Key boasts a marina with 300 berths, accommodating 110 monohulls on the outer and 190 on the inner marina. The resort offers high-speed internet, a pool, laundry facilities, showers, restrooms and a supermarket. Dining at Nanny Key Marina features diverse international and local flavours, breathtaking marina views, and special nights like barbecues. The capital displays the same leisurely pace of the rest of the British Virgin Islands, with festivals and regattas throughout the year. Popular activity includes helicopter rides, sea charters, diving and exploring on land. Ruins of Fort Burt and the Coolwood Rum Distillery provide fun day trips. If you think Road Town BVI is the destination for you, book through our website at compareyachtcharters.com